Now that we onboarded users, let's go ahead and onboard an asset, right? Or a couple of assets. Asset is any system, application, or infrastructure component that requires access management. Essentially, if you are managing access for a system, that's the asset. It could be Active Directory instance, on-prem application, cloud application, a database instance, or a server, right? So again, everything is file-based connector for us. So we have files prepared for a couple of assets. In this case, one is SAP. The file layout is we have the access name, access description, application name, in this case SAP. Access source, is it local application or a centralized application such as an Active Directory group, right? Is it local application access or centralized access? Risk rating, again, we are driving everything using risk, identity and access management using risk in Securevize. So we can define, we can provide a risk rating and then define how the access approvals or the requirement for the access approvals and access reviews, right? If it is high risk access, you can say it requires 2 levels of approval, right? One by manager and another by access owner. If it is medium risk access, you can say it just requires manager's approval and not access owners. In case of low risk access, it may not need any approvals at all, right? You can define all of that in the file. Again, you don't need to code anything. It can all be defined in the file. And then let's go upload the data. Again, we are onboarding the assets, right? So I want to log in as Allison Brown, one of the administrators, and onboard Oracle Cloud ERP as an asset. Again, the beauty of this is you can have multiple administrators log in at the same time and onboard their own assets, right? Just the way Allison is onboarding Oracle Cloud ERP here. Let's put the description: Oracle's enterprise resource, planning system. Then let's pick the file. I already saved it, so let's pick the file as a CSV. Let's pick the CSV file. As simple as that, right? We uploaded the file. Now, Oracle Cloud ERP is defined as an asset. You can see, the data for Oracle Cloud ERP by going through the Modify an Asset tab. Okay, and then let's log in as Andy Jones, who's another administrator, and then upload data for SAP. So we can onboard SAP application as Andy Jones. Andy Jones at blockbuster.com. Okay. So let's onboard SAP's enterprise resource planning system. Okay, let's pick the file. Again, SAP S4H HANA is the file that I saved. So let's upload. Again, the layout for the file is very similar, right? It has, again, exactly the same details as we had in Oracle Cloud ERP. Okay, now we uploaded SAP as well, and we can see the data for SAP as well. Okay, at this point, we have SAP and Oracle Cloud ERP onboarded as two different assets. to Securevize platform. Again, they were onboarded as two different administrators as well. No centralized IAM team did this for them. Two different administrators did it, right?